So, as y'all can see, what the packaging looking like. Got the tag on there and everything. I can take them out for y'all. TMG! What is up, YouTube? It's your boy TMG. Finally, you already can tell by the title, I finally got these jeans. They finally came in. So yeah, about to get into this video to 100 likes at least. Make sure y'all share the vid. And so I'm gonna open these jeans. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what the packaging look like. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like on me. I'm gonna show y'all the address. But appreciate you if you clicked on this video and you watching it. Thank you. Alright, we about to open this. I shouldn't need no scissors. Hey. Alright. So, as y'all can see, with the packaging looking like. The tag on there and everything. I can take them out for y'all. Make sure you comment on the vid too. So I got an all black pair. See the size. Now this is what I'm nervous about. So I wear size 30. My waist is like, I'm a small dude, not gonna lie. Like 5'7". So I got one size up and I just hope I can fit them. If anything, I'll just probably need a belt. But that's what the God damn. You got the purple tag right there. Then on the back, right, that little tag, it's got the size. You got 31. Then you got this back tag. It says purple. And then the other tag on the back says purple right here too. Purple brand. Then you got the back tag. It says purple as well. So this is what they're looking like so far. Now, I'm about to try them on. I'm gonna show y'all that. So, once again, if you're watching the vid already, might as well leave a like. Go hit that subscribe button. We're about to get into it. Alright, catch you on the next clip. Alright, so this is the bottom looking like. This is what I meant by they kind of baggy. But I'm gonna just wash them and see these